Hello, my beautiful Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? Lovely to see you all. My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you guys are so very welcome. I've said it 100 times and I'm going to say it again. It is my channel, but it is absolutely your show. For the past, let us say, year and a half, two, I take my content from you. Yeah. I'm not able to respond to all of you, but I absolutely read what you want me to do next. And a lot of you said, well, Fumi, since you're telling us all about the rules and regulations of what to do and what not to do when we're going out on dates, you might as well go ahead and Fuminize us and show us what should we wear on our first date. I so wish I was in your homes so that we could sit down, we could play music, we could have drinks, and we could get you dressed together. I used to do it for my sister Ronke, and I miss it because we really had some fun times. So this episode is going to be what you guys should wear on a first date. A first date could be dinner. A first date could be a daytime event. Perhaps you're going to go and watch the movies or you're going to see something live. It could be anything. So I can understand how you're kind of sort of feeling about getting dressed on your first date. Now, before we get into it, I'll tell you this. Your first date is to really be in a beautiful, feminine, safe zone. You want to dress looking gorgeous. You want to look pretty, but you don't want to show boobage. No. You don't want to show thighs. No. You don't want to show too much, but you want to come off looking feminine and absolutely beautiful. As a matter of fact, pretty. That's what I would say. Pretty. Have your hair back so that it's not distracting you, playing with the curls, playing with this, whatever. You want to give face. Let him see your face. I've shown you what you can wear for daytime makeup for my 50s girls that are going back out into the dating pool. Congratulations. I'm so excited for you. And so I have 5 fabulous looks for you that you will be bulletproof with, that you absolutely will be fine with when you wear these looks. And I have gone ahead, yes, my darlings, I have gone ahead and I have the links for you, because you guys tell me, Fumi, we need the links so that we can buy it. I mean, hello, don't just show us and then we can't get it. And I said, yes, I know, I'm so sorry. So that's what we're going to do. Now, let us say that you are going for dinner, yeah? I have this fabulous dress. It's a green dress. It's gorgeous. It is figure hugging. But what is complimentary about this is that it's kind of cinched in at the waist. This can go from size 2 to size 20. Beautiful. It shows your femininity and at the same time you're covered up. This is wonderful so that he can focus on you. He can focus on what you are saying. And he does not misunderstand in any way, shape or form why you are there and what you're all about. You're here on a first date for a very serious relationship leading to marriage, hopefully. So that is why I feel, and I did it with Ula too, I just covered up the girls. You know, I got big girls, I got big jugs, and he loves them. You know, Adrian too. But I covered them up because it wasn't about sex. It's not about going to your home afterwards. It's not about getting fresh with me at the bar. It's not about me even giving you any inclination that that is okay. Not at all. That is why I said this dress is absolutely gorgeous. And it is on sale for £11. Would you believe it? Yes, it is, my darling. And guess what? It is completely backless in the back. Yeah, he's looking at you in front. And you're just letting him know this could be what you could look forward to in the back. You can wear this to dinner. Make sure that you let the metro D know that he should call you a taxi, have a taxi ready for you. You are meeting this guy in a public space and that is where it should stay. He can walk you to the taxi. That is it. So that you have lots of witnesses in the restaurant to see you and you're taken care of. The second choice, which I love and is also from ASOS. Let us say that it's winter that we are in now. This is a gorgeous dress that you can wear to work. Yes, darlings. And from work, you change out from your loafers to your kitten heels. Do like a lovely side ponytail. Maybe I should show you that. Would you like that? So feminine. Put a little ribbon and let the ribbon be on the same side as where you tie the bow. Again, from a size 2 to a size 20. This dress is fabulous when you are going out for lunch. You're going out for lunch. Let us say he says, you know what? Let us sit out in the garden patio or whatever for a little bit of privacy or whatever. This is fine. So you are warm, you've taken off your coat, nothing is showing but your beautiful shape. Gorgeous hair, beautiful makeup. You can even have 2 little lash extensions, boom, boom, like individual lashes, just to give you that wisp, and this is good to go. This is a fabulous dress. I love the green. I love that forest green because we're in winter now, and you are wonderful. You're good to go. Number 3 is playful. First date. Again, you are meeting for drinks, for example. You're not having dinner. You're just meeting up for drinks. You want to go out with your friends afterwards. You want to show your femininity. This is very flowy. And again, it's not high thigh. And then you do have a bit of a décollage, but it is covered. My girls that have bigger bust, you can wear a vest underneath this. I'm going to come out with colored vests that have lace. Do I have one here? I have a couple that have lace on the sides. Let me check. Hold on. This is what I'm talking about. You have the lace detail in front. I am going to come out for my lingerie line. I'm going to have more lace. Why? Because with dresses like this, that's a beautiful forest green, like an olive green, you can have the lace and it gives off the appearance that it is actually a part of the dress. I'm going to do that for my bigger busted girls. I realize that there's not much out there for you. And I catered, what I did was that I just bought lace and I would sew it onto my bra. Yes, I would. So I'm going to come out with extra lace for you, extra lining, so that when you have this V décollage, you enjoy the style and fashion like our smaller busted sisters, and you still are covered up. This is a gorgeous dress. It's got the beautiful sleeves for my plus size sisters who are getting their arms together, have an exercise below, but you're a little bit cautious. Not a problem. Go ahead with a full sleeve. Also for my 50 sisters, my 60 sisters, my 70 sisters, you still have 20 plus years to go. You're dating. Yes, you are. Come on up out of the house, get dressed, put your heels on, and let's go meet him. I'll drop you off. I'll pick you up too. So you can wear this dress. It's so beautiful. And again, if you're conscious about your legs, about darker knees, you just wear beautiful skin pantyhose, flesh-toned pantyhose. Mwah, you're good to go. With a pump, and you can have a square-toed pump. The next dress, which I love, oh my God, it's just so beautiful. Again, I love all shapes and sizes. You have to be different to stand out. You really do. You don't want to be the same. I love this orange dress for my 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s sisters that you're out there. Even if you're in the care home, you can dress up for Christmas. You can dress up for Thanksgiving. This dress is boohoo. It's bright. It's orange. It's giving me Beyonce vibes. I love it. And it shows off the waist. You can wear this on a first date. All the links to these dresses are below. You're going to enjoy this. Again, you have the 3/4 sleeve, so you know what, you're showing the wrist. You can have your beautiful feminine watch. You can have a little bracelet that maybe somebody gave to you, or an heirloom that you think is special. Your beautiful manicured hands. Always focus on the positivity of you. You're on the date, so he likes you. He's interested. Now you are going to let him have what you call, we're going for a live. This is a live date. He's been talking to you on the phone. He enjoys your quirkiness. He enjoys your loudness. He enjoys your shyness. He enjoys you. Now let him enjoy being with you. You have to be confident now in what you're wearing, but you cannot be too far away from who you are. And so I realized that all these dresses I would buy. I would wear them to work. Yes, I would. And then I would change and they go on my date in the event that wherever I was going to was closer to my workplace, and that would save me time instead of me coming back home, get dressed, get all flustered or whatever. Don't worry about that. This dress is beautiful. It is gorgeous. You wear silver accessories. You can wear gold accessories. You can even jazz it up for my African American sisters and wear those bold pieces of jewelry. Really show who you are. For my Caucasian sisters, this color is gorgeous on you too. I never forget any of you. I never forget my Asian sisters. I never forget my Caucasian sisters. Half of my family is Caucasian. Remember, Ula is Norwegian. So I'm thinking of all of you always. All right, my darlings. Last but not least is on a casual date. For example, he says, let's go to the park. For example, he says, you know what? Let's go to a football match. You wear jeans, you wear a shirt, tuck it in halfway, and you are looking fabulous. And the person who absolutely got what was in my head, because I was looking at outfits online and I wanted to make sure that you had accessibility to them, as in that you could buy them, was actually going out on a date, on her early dates with her soon-to-be husband at that time, Meghan Markle. She wore a pair of jeans. I think it had a raw hem, and then I think it was split at the knee, with a fabulous white shirt, tucked in halfway, with a hobo bag and sunglasses. Flats, good to go. This is how you go on a date. She got the memo. You don't show too much. You're not giving the goodies right now. Let him get to know you. Let him get to love you. Let him get to fall in love with you. And that way you have the rest of your life to make lots and lots of love. But you need to make sure that this is the right guy. So you are kind of interviewing him. He's passed the first interview. Now you're having the second interview. And he's still on a 3-month probation because they do it for us at work. And we go through it and we accept it. Let them accept it. So those are my 5 looks, my darlings. I hope you enjoyed the episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification button. Don't forget to give me some super thanks. I'm giving you all of this knowledge. The least that you can do is support a sister and the brand that I'm going to give you. And I will see all of you very, very soon. Do we love, my darlings? Do we love? Ula bought this for me. Yes, it is a Ralph Lauren shirt that had become tight. And now it fits again. I do love it. It's a little bit strange because I've got the pink lip and I've got the red logo here. But I wanted to stick with the pink because the red is kind of suggestive. We're not doing red right now. You could do red later on. All of my love, darlings. I'll see you later. Mwah.